Hey, good morning. We are live. How's everybody doing this morning? Getting everything set up here. Looking like we're good to go. Let's take a quick look at the news. Looks like we had some Canadian CPI this morning, and I don't see much else. So I'm wondering what created this bullish push here back at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Anybody know what happened there? Maybe there's a tweet or something. Let's see. Some news about Iran. Oh, mediators propose Iran and U.S. return to pre-July 9th position. Okay, that's what it was. Senior Iranian source: mediators have proposed a 10-day cessation of strikes to find a way to revive the Iranian-U.S. talks. Okay, so it's news about the war. Taking a look at the charts here, which of my accounts I'm going to be able to trade this morning? That one's locked out. Okay. Got that guy. We got those, probably those two, I guess. Hey, Puran, good morning, sir. How are you? We got on right on time this morning. Where's our midnight open price here? Let's set this guy up. Looking for 2100 on my chart. I think I don't have my audio set up correct here. There we go. I'm like, geez, this is quiet. Good to hear, Puran. Good to hear, buddy. Trying to see, is this one? That's, where's 2100? It's there. Okay. Right there. So we're in a bit of a weird situation here with the chart and the price at the moment. We have a bullish fair value gap from this 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle, and then a bearish one from the 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's Nick. Good morning.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm all right.
Good.
We had
I popped in and I saw Bruce was on. That's awesome. I didn't really get a chance to say anything. I was gonna try to hop in there and say hi, but I was a little too slow.
That's all right. Yeah, James is a busy guy. He's only got about a half an hour in the morning pre-market before he has to do Edgeful, ASFX, and miscellaneous other crap.
Yeah, makes sense. Gotta be ready for the hordes.
I think I did a very, very good introduction for him, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you'll have to check it out.
Yeah, you should turn it into a short or something.
I just may do that. I'll turn it into a short and send it to him.
Yeah.
I could see him in the background just laughing, rolling over in his chair. So I think it was good.
Nice. Yeah, so I don't know if you notice that too. When you do those AI clips, if it clips only part of what you want, you can always adjust it. Like you can move it back and forth a bit. Yeah, so you could like sort of cut off more at the end and add more that was earlier or whatever. So
all right. I will download those clips and adjust them accordingly.
Yeah. So what are you looking at this morning?
Well, I had a shit night and a stellar morning.
Okay. That's good.
Across 20 accounts, I was down 10 grand last night.
Yeah.
And I am currently up 22.
Oh, wow.
So
you got some nice longs, obviously.
It's yeah, oil.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I took a $500 hit on NQ. I was trading 20 accounts, took my $500 loss, locked myself out for the rest of the evening, and then ended up taking a $22,000 win on oil.
Nice.
So it was $1,100 per account, and then I ended up taking another win on oil on a separate basket of accounts. So
damn.
So the oil has been treating me right this morning.
Yeah, it looks like there's a big swing there, a big sell-off, and a big rip after.
There was a good drop. There was a good rip. I'm not getting into anything now. It's 6 minutes until the New York Open, so that's what's been happening.
Nice. Hey, good morning, Angia. Good morning, Skeletor. Very cool.
We got 10 o'clock U.S. leading index change, and at 11:30 we have the 6-month and 3-month bill.
Yeah.
In the afternoon we got some New Zealand news. I don't think that's going to make a whole hell of a lot of a difference to me. I won't be trading at that time. It's at like 6:45 or something. Oh, excuse me. So I am going to continue looking at oil today.
Okay. And you're trading that on props, which you normally don't do, so that's kind of
normally no. But the setups on oil were just too good. There were no Trump tweets, but there was a little bit of news last night on Iran, and yeah. So just watching these candles, looking at the VWAP and the deviation bands and the volume.
Nice. I'm wondering if we're going to get all the way up to the previous day high there.
On NQ?
Yeah, 29,200 area.
It wouldn't surprise me.
Pretty bullish. But we'll have to see how the first 15 minutes plays out here. But
yeah.
I caught a couple of decent trades on the stream last night, a long and a short, right after one after another.
Nice.
Had a target sort of these equal highs. We had a bunch of equal highs sort of at 20, what was it? 28,939 area.
All right.
So I got the long off the VWAP 2 there, and then ended up shorting it from up there back down to the VWAP.
Look at you.
A couple base hits there.
Trading level to level.
Well, I took profits before we got all the way to the level, but that was the idea behind the trade, that we were going to retrace to it. So
Gotcha. Yeah, this 15-minute chart for NQ just looks like it's going to continue up.
Yes. Wow. Looks really
We've
strong.
got yesterday's initial balance just up above our current price. Previous day's highs at 220. Is that correct? Yes. Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me if it hit it.
Yeah. What time do we got here? We got about a little over 2 minutes before the bell here. Should be interesting. So I had a bit of a weird stream last night. Well, I only had about 50 or 60 people on YouTube, but I had like 45 in X.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm like, that's like the highest number I've ever seen on X before. I mean, it could have to do with the fact that we were doing the giveaway.
Oh, yeah.
That 50K giveaway, which I had been trying to get X and Instagram subscribers from. But yeah, it was like definitely out of the norm. So we got NQ's kind of pulling back a little bit here. ES is holding above the point of control, and YM is looking pretty bullish. Oops. So I did jump into a YM long.
Really?
A few minutes ago. It's 52,478. Kind of targeting the highs, which were looking pretty good at the moment for there. It's just it's in an eval. We'll have to see though, getting a little bit of resistance here. As I say that, all the price basically just disappeared on me. Dipped into that fair value gap. Is this the bell? Yeah, this is the bell here.
We got the bell. Ding, ding.
See if we can't see a pop here up into the 590s. There we go. Come on. Pop it. Find a little resistance here again in this bearish fair value gap from pre-market. 52,540 area. You know YM, it likes to just go. So let's see if it's just going to go up there. Come on.
How many contracts you have on that right now?
Two micros.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But even 2 micros with as much as YM moves can be
Yep.
an insane trade.
Come on, pop it. A little more, a couple more points. Oh, it just edged it. Come on. Hit it. Oh my God, again edged it. Don't do it. I moved it down a couple ticks here. A couple points. There we go. I'm out. Nice.
Very good.
That was a
nice trade.
Little over $100. $54 and $58, so $112. I have this Lucid 150K eval, pro eval. Trying to pass my first 150K account, and yeah, that one's up 872 from yesterday and today.
So just so you know here, I did enter an NQ long at 29,057, and I locked in profit at 65.25. So however much that is, I don't have my my P&L up on the chart right now.
Okay, gotcha. Very nice. Let's keep going here.
Moving it up to 68 now.
We have a naked point of control up at 29,450. Previous day high 29,200, and we have an inverted fair value gap, so expect a little bit of a 1 hour inverted fair value gap at 29,300.
All right.
So 200 and 300.
Expect a little bit of resistance at the 300 level, and
yeah.
I'll keep my my stop loss barely in profit for this trade. I'm already green on the day, so
yeah, you can let it run.
I can let this go all day if I want to. I don't.
Oh yeah, I see that.
It's not going to matter.
Andrea just pointed out something. It's weird. The CVD is only at 200 right now.
I haven't even looked at the CVD.
So we climbed 60 points here, but CVD is only at positive 200.
So I have my CVD set from the beginning of the Asia session. It's at 3,900 positive.
Okay. Yeah, mine's only from the bell there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's up 4,000 right now.
Super bullish.
Yep, we got.
Well, good thing I got out of the YM because it's all the way back down to the opening bell price.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oy. Now I'm hoping NQ doesn't follow.
No. The YM's just doing YM things, you know.
Yeah. YM's just being YM.
What a nice rip there out of the gate, though. Looking like almost 100 points now on NQ. Zarb was in a short. I noticed pre-market. He cut it already. And good thing he did, because this pushed up.
Yeah.
Well past where he was in.
I would not want to be in a short on NQ right now. We just broke through the London high on this 15-minute candle. I'm gonna pull this down to the 5 real quick. Yeah, on the previous 5-minute candle, we broke through previous day high. Or not previous day high, I'm sorry. London high. NQ does seem to be getting a little resistance at the 150 level.
Yeah, I see this. Got a bit of a mix of orders above and below NQ right now. But there's pretty heavy orders, 1,053 up at 29,200.
Still liking the longs for NQ here.
Yeah, for sure. I just gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Sorry about that.
If anybody cares, I have my stop loss plus 50 hit, or I'm sorry, my break even plus 50 hit. $137 orders on NQ right now at 29,250. We are getting some selling pressure coming in here at 51. Getting a healthy pullback. Just added another 2 micros to this trade. Hey, good morning, Keith. Skeletor, still waiting for that 15-minute opening range. All right, I hit my break even plus 75. All right, initial balance is set. I'm sorry, initial balance. Oh, no, I'm sorry, we still got one more minute. Opening range is almost set. Wow, I'm just screwing everything up today. So, got 75 points locked in.
Still holding
like
pretty
this,
nice.
Yeah, still holding really well. Still, NQ still in an uptrend. And all right, I got my break even plus 100 in.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Waiting patiently like a shark for its prey. Keith Smith, good morning. Just stopped by to give a like. Thank you for that.
Oh.
Still going up here. Looking like we're going for those 200s.
That's what it's looking like.
I was about to start the kettle or the coffee pot, and I realized it's still full of old coffee.
You need to start setting that up the night before.
Can't have that. Taint the coffee.
No, I mean empty your pot, clean it out.
Okay, a little bit of a pullback here, 50 points or 25 points ish.
There's not enough of a pullback for me to be concerned.
Nope.
Oh, got my 100 points.
Nice trade.
Stop me out. So, got 100 points, 4 micros.
Wonder where this pullback is going to stop. Or is this the start of a bigger one?
That is the question, isn't it? I'm reading Skeletor's comments. I'm picturing a little skeleton shark. I'll be back.
Well, they're trying to pull it back here. Slowly grinding it down. Usually it's quite a bit of a faster pullback. Well, it seems like sellers aren't really trying to let go here at the moment yet. So is that the double break kind of trade? Hey, Wilson is gold. How you doing? Where we break the top of the opening range and then we head all the way to the bottom of the opening range? Yeah, you're gonna have to make your YouTube image one of those guys, a skeleton shark. How you guys all doing this morning? You guys taking any trades this morning yet? YM is ripping down. NQ is on a deep pullback. ES is on a deep pullback. YM's looking really bearish here at the moment. Skeleton Shark. We got about 7 people watching right now. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're here. You're still flat. Cannot seem to get an entry. Too volatile for me. Okay. Yeah. I mean, no rush. No rush. We set the range here, the opening range. We got it at the high is at 183. The low is at 28. So quite a big swing there. So we did break the high slightly, and then we heading all the way back down here to the lows. We didn't take out the lows just yet, but we do have this bullish fair value gap from pre-market with a low of, right at 29,000. Yeah, you think that's the manipulation? So like a bunch of accumulation, manipulation, and then what, distribute lower? You're going to wait for the 10 a.m. open? Yeah, it's probably a good idea. We got 4 minutes here still. Let's get the VWAP on here. Just realized. Well below the VWAP. Heading down possibly to the overnight VWAP there. What would our targets be below here? We have this bullish fair value gap from way back down below. We did tap into the point of control, so that's kind of like not necessarily the trade. We could be going to the midnight open price right at 28,900. Looking pretty heavy. So I guess we're just gonna have to wait here for a bit, either wait for some sort of a bounce for a short entry, or maybe we're going to get a strong bullish bounce. So we do have this, we have 1 minute left on this gap. We have a 5-minute bullish fair value gap from pre-market. Now, if this candle closes below it, I'm definitely going to be feeling a lot more short bias. I think Angia might have been onto something with that CBD. Got a bit of a battle going on here, 29,900. And they did invert that fair value gap, so definitely bears seem to be in control at the moment. You took your long earlier and you're done for the day? Nice. Eval passed, funded or green, everything's good. Nice. Good job, Angia.
Wow, I've been sitting here talking to you. Didn't realize that my mic and camera were off.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I just figured you were kind of chilling out for a minute, but
No, I after that last trade, I ended up taking a short, took 20 points on 6 micros, and
nice.
But I was just saying to you, and then I switched over to the StreamYard and went, oh, wow, I've been talking to myself. I was just saying, if you are ever considering getting a Blue Guardian account,
yeah,
just don't bother.
Okay.
Finally got them activated, and then they sent me, okay, it was up $300 per account.
Yeah.
And then they send me an inactivity email.
Really?
Yeah.
Inactivity.
Because I haven't traded it in 5 days.
And how many? 5 days only?
Well, it was 5 days. I got the inactivity thing or email from them.
Yeah.
And then I literally opened up the dashboard. Went, okay, great. So I had traded it that day because it was Friday that they finally got it activated because I was threatening them. And then they send me that nonsense.
Weird.
I have hit.
So not really on top of it with those.
So I sent them an email with a screenshot of the thing and it's like, kindly get your shit together because just wow.
Totally. Like what the heck? What the heck, guys?
Yeah, it absolutely ridiculous.
Pretty strong push here.
Double break.
Yeah, we broke both sides now. Skeletor is going to remain and finish flat today. It's okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow early. Thanks. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Not a bad place to be.
Yeah. Can't hurt.
That is called capital preservation. So what's YM doing right now? Oh, still going down.
Yeah. How's ES looking too? ES is looking pretty similar to NQ, like almost identical. YM's the one that's just taking the skydive.
YM's going down like it owes somebody money.
So I applied for a Tradeify discount code, and they said I got rejected. So I was gonna try to apply again, but it says that you gotta like contact support about it. So I ended up sending them an email yesterday. So hopefully I'll get some sort of response. Kind of like what is it that what do I need to work on here to get to reach the criteria kind of idea?
Yeah, I've heard nothing but horror stories from people who have affiliate codes.
With Tradeify or just in general, you mean?
Just in general.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what I should be doing here. Kind of just stuck in this range right now. Jonathan's in a 10K 0 DTE options long, holding till the end of the day. Wish me luck. Yes, good luck, Jonathan.
Good luck. What are you long on?
Assuming it's an NQ, but yes, good question. I always thought all the options expire on Friday.
Now there's some of them have 0 DTEs. A few of them actually have 3 times a week expirations, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Okay.
Looking at another oil long here.
Okay. Let's pop into oil here.
And nah, man. Got 8 micros in this.
So not a whole lot happened on that hourly candle.
All right, I'm hitting my break even on this oil loan.
Nice. Oh wow, yeah, nice pop there.
I need to set up a completely different strategy for oil
Yeah.
and attach my accounts to it, because you those break-even buttons do not work on oil.
Really?
Well, in order to do break-even plus 2, the price would have to go from my entry at
Oh yeah.
yep to $83.10 or whatever.
Gotcha.
So
you can use the break even, but you can't move your price up like that.
Exactly.
So you have to do break even plus 0.01.
Yep. 0.02, 0.05.
Yeah.
It's going to be completely different
Yeah.
strategy. But I am in this long with 8 micros, so
You have to do the good old copy and paste to move it up.
yeah.
$10K 0 DTE. What is it? Is that like the position is worth 10K? That's pretty huge, man. Jonathan. Oil got all the way up to 82 there, almost, not quite, 81.97. 10K 0 DT is kind of crazy. Yeah, it is pretty crazy. Because that could basically expire to like almost nothing, right? It's quite the risk. Don't let it go to 0, that's for sure. But that's the only thing about the time decay, right? Yeah, my only thesis is that the diamond pennant was a channel. There is a channel that we were in. We're still in that channel, which we kind of just pulled back to the low of the channel, the one that I had on the chart here. So that diamond was a channel, like looks like it to me. And then we dipped below it a couple times and then recovered it. So we were playing around with it like for the last day and a half or 2 days below it. And then now we're in it. Be interesting to see if we can invert this inverted fair value gap.
I am seriously tempted to just walk away from this oil long and let it play out. I got my break even in at 81.70.
Let it ride. See if we can't get a pop. Well, I kind of thought that oil was going to go down because they had some news about the war this morning. Senior Iranian sources said mediators have proposed a 10-day cessation of strikes to find ways to revive the Iranian U.S. interim deal. But obviously, price is saying a different thing. Indices are going down and oil's going up, so.
Oh, I got stopped out on that. Re-entered at 72.
Okay.
So I took a break even and then re-entered at a lower price.
Nice. Well, it shows conviction in your trade, that's for sure. So NQ is still sitting here on the VWAP right at the 950s, the overnight VWAP. It is a pretty interesting area because we're kind of sitting on what was sort of resistance in the Asia session here. So it's kind of the pullback to the breakout area from Asia.
The oil has had a rejection off of VWAP, starting to go back up again. Just added another 8 micros to that.
All right, at the 200 EMA now. Well, I hope this thing ends up turning around here for Jonathan.
Did he say what he was in? What?
Well, he was talking about
contract?
the diamond pendant channel, which I think he's talking about NQ. Because we have a diamond pendant channel here on NQ, and he said we're right at the bottom, so which is basically where I agree, it's right at the bottom. There we go. We're getting to midnight open price here. $200 EMA seems like it's trying to hold. Deep base, space.
What's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Miss the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics, yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah. NQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks.
Hey, FN Trades. Nick took a really banger trade on the oil earlier. Or was it oil or was it NQ? No, it was NQ. Yeah. Sorry.
I took. Actually, I did both.
Yeah.
I took a loss on oil, or I'm sorry, I took a loss on NQ and a win on oil.
That was pre-market, right? But then in market,
my
open,
loss was
market open. You took a long on NQ, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Nice winner on that one. I took a win on YM. Yeah. So decent morning.
Yeah, I made back my losses from last night during the Asia session, so that was.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Getting a bit of a pop here. Holding that overnight VWAP and the channel 200 EMA. So you're playing with, are you in different accounts or are you in the same accounts there for those?
Me?
Yeah.
I closed out my oil trade for a grand total of $9.
Okay.
So now I'm on a new basket of 14.
Nice.
So I got 14 accounts here. I'm looking at NQ. Oil's getting a little bit funky right now, so I don't want to step in that slippery puddle of shit.
It's too slippery.
All slippery.
Nice pop there on NQ. Keep an eye on this guy. See if we end up taking this. The New York. New York was pretty sloped down. It is kind of flattening out a bit here, though.
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up. Don't blow the
I'm starting to like NQ for longs, believe it or not.
Yeah.
we ain't gamblers. We just hitting quick. NQ crazy, but we
We're holding that overnight view up again here.
stay alive. That's the real win. And tomorrow we trade again. All right, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that.
Got about a minute and a half left on this
What's up? Good evening.
5-minute candle here.
We just getting live right now.
Excuse me for a second. I'll use the bathroom again.
Let's go.
A bladder like a gerbil.
NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm
Yeah, most of the orders on NQ. Well, we got big blocks of orders up above the current price.
set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take it, market's even. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we
It's at 29,000, and we got orders up at 29,020.
got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong while the market keeps singing its song. Talking about KID and trades, life advice, Mr. Scalping plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all
At my NQ long, I'm locking in
trail that stop, protect the night.
10 points.
Here before, I'm just stacking little base hits. Yeah, small wins, big losses. That's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips.
Got 10 micros then on this. Right now, I'm up about 450 bucks. So
Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up.
just added another 5, locked in 100 bucks. So I'm in with 15 micros long on NQ.
NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's good. Stay alive. That's
If this continues up for me.
all right, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up?
Locking in 150. I'm up 900.
6 people in the chat. Let's go.
Okay, locking in 300.
Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming.
Locking in 520.
Candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market, even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks. Don't waste
And I'm out. All right, 520 bucks on that trade.
You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it'd get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about KID and trades. Life advice, Mr. Scalping plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah, small wins, big losses. That's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips.
I'm glad I brought my stop loss up with that.
We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they
Did come up to VWAP on NQ, rejected off it, it's coming back down.
stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account.
We are between New York and overnight VWAP.
Yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hitting quick. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36
FN Trades, how you doing this morning? Take any trades?
Q sweep no stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pulls. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it'd get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about KID and trades. Life advice, Mr. Scalping plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah, small wins, big losses. That's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit
All right. Looks like we bounced up and then what? We pulled back. Rejected off
Yep.
a little bit there.
then tomorrow we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple
So we
days.
got some resistance at the VWAP here.
We'll take that.
Could have been a nice little short off the VWAP.
We just getting loud.
A scalp. Looking like we're not getting a whole lot of momentum so far.
Yeah, this might be the end of the session for me.
Getting close, eh? Yeah, I don't really want to try to force anything today either. If it's not a no news Monday that doesn't just start trending right away, those are the Mondays that we love.
Yep. A no news Monday with a trend is you get them every once in a while, and when you do, you just have to take advantage of them.
Yeah. Well, I did try to get into a short there, but it didn't pick up my order, and then it just started pushing too far away from where I wanted to enter. So didn't want to wait for it to decide to flip on me and go the other direction.
Well, that's kind of funny because I just took a long at 99 or 979 level.
Okay.
Deviation band.
Nice, yeah.
Pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stock gets swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Oh. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
Getting some selling volume balls on the book map, but price is going up. Interesting.
Are you looking at MNQ or NQ?
MNQ.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Yeah, giant volume ball comes on there, and bearish volume ball. Price goes up 6 points.
Interesting, huh?
Strange world we're living in.
Yeah, the New York has not been easy to trade lately.
It has not. I'm doing much better with London pre-market and generally Asia market as well. I mean, last night was a complete and utter shit show, but generally I'm doing better with Asia and London than I am with New York.
Yeah, they just tend to be a little cleaner and more predictable, right?
Yeah, there's less volatility. It's just all around been better for me.
Mm-hmm. So how's the YM looking at it here? Wow.
Let me guess, just went through the roof.
No, it's still all the way down.
Oh, is it?
52,200. Holding the lows there. Tap, bounce sort of off previous day low.
We just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stock gets swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive.
I got my break even +5 on my NQ long.
Nice.
Just kind of letting this go. It's only 4 micros, so not going to make a killing off it unless it just rips.
Hey, what's up? Good evening.
That's what we want.
I mean, that's what we want. I don't know if I'm going to get it, but
chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled. again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market, even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah. NQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these basics.
Chat's pretty quiet today. The viewers.
Yeah, it really has been. So are we, though. Sitting here
just
focusing on this.
just
Sitting
in
here
general,
focusing on these charts.
less viewers though, as compared to normal. Like we're usually up around 10, between 10 and 20, and today we have like about 7. And like I said, I don't know, the Sunday was pretty dead, and I think the Thursday last week was also pretty dead. So I don't know if for some reason the algo doesn't want to promote us as much anymore or something, or me in general. I don't know. Maybe it could just be a lull in trader life too, right? Sometimes people get away from the charts for a little while. Price action hasn't been very nice, so
Yeah, that is very true.
yeah, because like I literally got I ended up getting 2 subscribers yesterday, which is pretty low because normally, you know, like we're up usually getting 20 to 30 per night on those, especially on a Sunday.
Oh wow. Yeah,
Yeah.
I do not have any idea how many subscribers I have at this point.
I think you had like around 170 last time I looked. Let's look right now. 177.
That's more than I thought.
Yeah. Yeah. Been grinding up. All the way back down to the overnight VWAP here again. Yeah, this
Wow.
price is a little confusing. Popped up
Price
to
is a little ridiculous, is what it
back
is.
down to the overnight. Yeah.
Yep, I think I'm done trading for the day. I may come back in the afternoon and do something, but this is, I do not like this price action. I'm green for the day. And honestly, I don't feel like just wasting money here, because I know if I get into another trade, that's all I'm doing is gambling, and I'm not a good gambler.
Yeah, we're not getting very good, not very clean direction or price action. So
No. The again, we get a large selling volume. Oh, there it goes. Now it's dropping. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. And check oil one more time.
for some reason my Take Profit Trader Pro account is not syncing. You have to check the connection.
We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market, even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah. NQ sweep, no stops, then it rips quick. You blink one.
There we go.
Even oil is looking like it's just fighting with VWAP now.
Yeah, look at that. We pulled back to the overnight VWAP. Now we're heading back up towards the New York.
Got banned on X 'cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong while the market keeps singing its song. Talking about KID and trades, life advice, Mr. Scalping.
All those orders that were under current price on NQ are disappeared.
Grow, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before.
Yeah.
I'm just stacking
We still got that 220 down at 28,900, but that's it. Or I'm sorry, 120.
Yeah, look at that. We bounced up and then we pulled back. Yeah, so I don't know. We'll probably wrap it up relatively soon too. I might stick around just till the hour, so I'll stick around for another 13 minutes or so.
Yeah, I think I'm
It's not the good
Cashed
price
out here.
today.
stick a fork in me. I'm done.
Take your chips and go.
Yep.
Man, we
Yeah,
haven't
what
had a
we're
really
doing right
nice
now.
clean New York session in a while. Like some of
Yeah,
those
it's been-
mornings we're here till like, 9 a.m. my time, so like noon or 12:30 or something. We haven't had one of those days in like a while.
Couple of months now.
Yeah,
It's been a couple of months. And I miss those days.
yeah, those are
Not
nice.
because I like to be working until noon, but because if I'm still on the charts at noon, that means that I'm doing really well and on a hot streak.
Yeah, it means that the price is working good and pretty predictable. And yeah, right now this is not predictable. Not what I'm seeing, anyways.
No, I can't. I can't make heads nor tails of any of this.
Nasty pullback NQ, right, Angia? My dad was in the chat early. Says, I'm watching Nick. Good morning to you. And then he said, he has James Bruce on with him. Like, yeah.
No, I've known James for a minute.
Was he one of your coaches when you were joining them, or?
No, James. It's not one of my coaches, but he and I basically we just went back and forth every single day talking about like trades and shit. So
Nice.
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up. Don't blow the account. One bad trade.
Yeah, every candle is just putting wicks on the bottom and the top
We just hitting quick.
lately.
Trade again. All right, guys. Couple base hits. Take that.
I am not sure how every candle can be an indecision candle, and price still.
Right now, 6 people in the chat.
Oy.
It just really cannot decide what it wants to do, I guess.
Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statement.
It's probably going to clean up in the afternoon.
Yeah, I may come back around noon and see what's happening there, but this is not the place I want to be taking any significant trades. Do have orders down at 28,900. Still have those 130 or so orders up at 30,000. At 190 or 175 at 955 level. Yeah, even the book map it can't make up its mind.
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that spirit. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright guys, couple base hits. We'll take that. Oh. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, Dave, I think I'm done.
Okay.
I'm getting to that point now where it's like I'm looking at the chart long enough. I'm starting to want to take a trade, even though I know I shouldn't. So I'm gonna try and act like a real professional trader, and that's about it.
Take the advice of the charts and walk away.
Yep. It's telling me to get the hell out of here. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow, I believe we've got Tom Hartman on the pre-market. It's either tomorrow or Wednesday.
Nice.
So if you're not subscribed to the pre-market, get on that. And yes, Angia, I am going to go pick some coconuts. And I will see you all at 7:30 in the a.m.
Play with an iguana.
Man, the iguana jumped up on the chair with me yesterday, which was hilarious. I was just sitting outside, and the thing gets up on the little sofa we have on the deck, and just laid down next to me. Those things are fearless when they get used to you. This is a wild iguana. It's not like he's a pet.
Yeah.
He's just so used to seeing me that he just doesn't care anymore.
Yeah, I think I saw that clip.
So I'm gonna start doing a TikTok thing where every week I just put up a reel of the weird shit I find on the deck.
Yeah.
Insects the size of my hand. 4 different iguanas are living in the backyard now. There were capuchin monkeys sitting over by the pool yesterday. And howler monkeys the day before that. We got parrots over here on a tree. Toucans on the other tree. I'm like, this is all the weird shit. But at least it hasn't been excessively noisy in the mornings like it was.
Oh yeah. They're being quiet.
The howler monkeys and the macaws were just killing me.
Oh, that's annoying.
All right, I gotta get out of here before I take a trade.
Yeah.
All right, I will see you later. Oh, I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, sounds good.
Have a good one.
See you, Mr. Nick. Well, there we go, guys. Mr. Nick was in the house. He blessed us with his presence. Took a banger trade out of the gate there. I took a pretty decent one too on the on the YM, so happy about that. Let's see here. Let's get some other tunes going. Go to my usual layout here. So yeah, I guess you've been flat now, Angia, since you took that trade earlier. Pushing down here, right through midnight open. Yeah, very flat. Yeah, it's even though like we have been trending down, like these candles through this area have just been not nice at all, right? Like basically since right here. So since 9:54, we've been just kind of putting in wicks on either side of the candles, not really making very substantial moves, and especially through this area here. Yeah, it's kind of weird today. Yeah. Do you know, are we in a like, is there any like weird things like triple witching or something like that coming up right now that I don't know about? I thought somebody mentioned that there's something kind of could be affecting the market. I think that was like last week sometime someone was talking about that. So I'm wondering. Took 3 longs during London session, took profits, and my profit is missing. Really? What the heck? On Tradeify. I tried to apply for Tradeify, what's it called? Affiliate code. And they rejected me, but I followed up with them, hopefully, and get some sort of a response from them. No crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex. Yeah. Mustang trader, market butcher. Putting in more wicks. Man, this price is just not clean today. So I'm gonna wait a few more minutes here. We'll probably wrap it up. I just want to see what happens with this 11 a.m. candle, which just started right now. Looks like the buyers are trying to step in at the moment. Jumped in a little long here. See if we can't keep going here. Okay, I ended up getting 10 points out of that. I just was a second too early on that 10-point stop loss there. Moved it in 10 points into profit. Damn.
Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. Evan Dyer showed discipline stays. Every level got a reason to exist. Most traders never even notice this. No FOMO, no revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels, VWAP execution. Mustang, calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid.
Well, we got a little bit of a push there. We're kind of stalling out a little bit here up at the 25 area. Hopefully this price ends up recovering for Jonathan in those 0 DTEs. Got till the end of the day, so there's a good chance we're going to still pop up here. We didn't tap into previous day high yet. Got to get back into that diamond here.
Market butcher, Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts. Patience.
Yeah, that was definitely a good long.
See you at Globex.
Just need to not choke it out so fast.
Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean if EG NQ dirty, but she still pay me. Get butchered. Yeah.
Again here, pulling back off the overnight VWAP here.
Candles loaded.
Just can't get any momentum in either direction right now.
Market butcher on the mic. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. The session high while the chat decide.
Yeah, guys, you know what? I think it's better to get away from the charts this morning. It's just a Monday. We got the whole week here. So don't do any damage on your accounts this morning. Keep that mental capital and be ready for tomorrow morning's market open session. Hopefully we'll finally get a decent trending day for once. In as long as I can remember. It's been a long time. Right, Czar? How was your trading this morning, Czar? Or last night and this morning? Because you're usually up. This is probably towards the end of your trading session. UK's Prime Minister Burnham looking at personal allowance thresholds for income tax, changing it has significant consequences. And Burnham said, I will use any flexibility within UK fiscal rules. Nice. London was great. Managed to catch some bangers with Nick earlier on MCL. Nice. Sweet. Well, yeah, thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out. We'll see you guys live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. We'll try to catch some more trades. Hopefully, we get a little bit better price action. The New York session has been really, really tough lately. So thanks, Angie, Skeletor, Jonathan, Puran, my dad, Wilson, Czar, and FN Trades. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. stay green, keep it tight, and see you in the morning. Have a great day, guys. See you. Bye.
FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical screen got different songs and the Lord's market butcher roll call. Yeah! Another Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the Butcher Gang. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you ready to ride. Top one futures got the butchers outside. FVG flips and the VWAP tie. We survive in every session cause we trade it right. Engine GBU holding number one. Four feds EL1 always loading the gun. Yo Jim Blab in the chat having fun. CBZ and stacking XP by the ton. Gang Bond 99 spying out the charts. Tony L 2029 got sniper darts. Lone Wolf Blue 60 straight in after dark. Miss 911 got the whole chat spark. Hard man Peter keep it steady no tilt. Tim Core stack profits built on skill. One Adam 99 got diamond widow. Rang that boy yelling let's go still. No revenge trade, no emotional crime. Just base hits stacking one trade at a time. If you blue the evil reload and grind. Cause the Butcher Gang different from the rest online.
See you guys. Bye.